Hey, how you all doing? Today I have a really fun workout for all of you. 3 combo exercises. These are exercises you might not have seen before, so take some time to learn them. But let's start by looking at those 3 exercises, and then afterwards I will tell you how to do this workout to get the best possible results right there at home. So there you go, guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. 3 big compound exercises that's going to hit almost every single muscle group in your body. So how do we do this? You hit each exercise for 40 seconds, rest 20 seconds, move on to the next exercise, complete all 3 exercises, and then do 5 rounds, 15 minutes, workout all done. It's a lot of fun. Push hard, and I promise you, you're going to feel it the following day. By the way, I'm wearing one of my old t-shirts today. Who of you guys can remember that logo? Okay, I think it's about 5-6 years old. Talk about a retro t-shirt. Anyway, guys, have fun with this workout. Let me know how you get on in the comments box below. And as always, if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. And remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.